Our Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today visited the Shillong Civil Hospital, a COVID-19 hospital, and held a review meeting with the doctors and other staff of the hospital who are working tirelessly to defeat coronavirus. Speaking exclusively to Northeast Live after the meeting, Conrad Sangma said that the state government is trying to set up more COVID-19 testing labs in the state itself and is awaiting ICMR's go-ahead. At least 3 COVID-19 testing labs are likely to be set up in the state. Notably, Meghalaya presently can test 150 tests on a daily basis, 100 of which are being carried out at the Negrims and 50 are being sent to different testing labs in Assam.
Of course, we are still waiting for more and more results. There are a lot of tests that are taking place. We have every day, as I said, a minimum of 150 cases are being tested. So that's going on. So I mentioned last time that the latest report we got was last night, and we're waiting for more. And let's hope nothing more comes, but we can't say. But yesterday we had 2 cases, and the preliminary information we have is they are all within the house and within the individual, the first patient. And so I think that's all I want to say. It's within the...
And speaking on the unfortunate incident where burial or a cremation of the state's first COVID-19 casualty, the Bethany doctor, was denied by at least 2 localities in the state, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said the state government is taking all necessary steps to address the matter.
Regarding the situation that happened at the crematorium, all discussions and arrangements were done, but these are unexpected circumstances where the public comes out. And at that time and that point in time, it is really a decision where it also leads to law and order problems. So therefore, we explored all the options, and when we found that there was an option where we could give a respected burial and the last rites could be performed in a very respected manner through the help of the Presbyterian Church, we went for that option. So that's what.
And on the other hand, the Meghalaya Chief Minister further informed that the source of the virus in the state is yet to be ascertained. He said that aggressive contact tracing measure is underway to identify the carrier of the virus into the state. It's
been very clear from day one that the issue of really back tracing it and contact tracing it is important. We are keeping all the possibilities in mind and we're working towards it, and that's why from day one, I've been saying that there are 2-3 possibilities and that could have happened. So therefore, it is obviously a challenge, and there is no doubt about it. But we are trying to work on it, and from different angles. Most important, as I said, is to see that the individual who was infected first, the immediate primary contact tracing has to be done. So we're focusing on that while we're also looking into other aspects. And as we go along, whether it's for our state or for the country, or for the world, the only way really is to be proactive and to do testing in a large scale where there are limitations. As of now, the whole world is facing those limitations, but slowly we'll have to go into that kind of a mode. So, absolutely, it's not that a help. Tomorrow the more tests we can do, the better it is. If it's 150, we want it to be 300, 400, 500 a day. So whoever is offering to test more, test our cases, we are happy. So Assam happens to be our neighbor, and they have agreed to do at least 50 in a day more. So apart from the 100 that we have, so the 50 additional is there. And obviously we are working towards making another 2-3 centers, but it requires the ICMR and others to certify. So that is a process that's there. But at least we're lucky that in our state we have a center where 100 tests can take place, and that is helping us a lot in this situation. So more or less we in a day or so we'll be able to complete the primary contacts of the individuals. So I think that is a great relief.
And Conrad Sangma further said that the state is well prepared to combat the coronavirus crisis with the COVID-19 care centers set up across the state.
We have already clarified. Number one, it's not correct that we don't have a COVID hospital. The Honorable Health Minister is here with me. We have a dedicated hospital. We have many COVID care centers. We have many isolation and quarantine zones and centers that have been created. So that is not factual at all, number one.
And speaking on the Meghalaya High Court's directive that warns people against obstructing the burial or cremation of coronavirus patients, Conrad Sangma said that High Court order has been taken into account.
the Honourable High Court, whatever points I've mentioned, we'll accordingly look into it and take action.
And on the other hand, Meghalaya Health Minister A.L. Hek said that the state government is ensuring that there is no shortage of food and other essential supplies to the Bethany Hospital or to Corona Care Centres.
Absolutely. It's not that help, tomorrow the more tests we can do, the more better it is. If it's 150, we want it to be 300, 400, 500 a day. So whoever is offering to test more, test our cases, we are happy. So Assam happens to be, our neighbor, and they have agreed to do at least 50 in a day more. So apart from the 100 that we have, so the 50 additional is there. And obviously we are working towards making another 2-3 centers, but it requires the ICMR and others to, to certify. So that is a process that's there. But at least we're lucky that in our state we have a center where 100 tests can take place, and that is helping us a lot in this situation. So more or less we in a day or so we'll be able to complete the primary contacts of the individuals. So I think that is a great relief.